Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cargo channel. Welcome to another beautiful day in the sunny state of California. Today's video will be unboxing and a short review of a product that helps us car guys put Bluetooth audio in our old clunkers like my E-Class. Given of course you have an auxiliary port where you can plug this product, and this is the SoundSync A3352 by Anker. I have reviewed Anker products before. My car charger is Anker. Hold on, let this focus a little bit. And they were great. Good quality products. Totally recommend them. Affiliate link to this will be down in the description below. But continue watching through the video to see how it actually works and whether you like it or not. So let's unbox it real quick. I gotta set this camera somewhere. So let's see what it says in the box. Wireless music streaming, hands-free calls, 12-hour playtime. One of the things that actually swayed me towards this product is that you can actually connect up to 2 devices. So usually me and my wife are in the car and we don't want to battle over connecting to the Bluetooth or connect all times. So we'll be both connected, and if one pauses their music, the other one can play theirs. Let's close this. Now, simple unboxing box. We have a happy or unhappy sticker, and this is in all their products. You can complain or not complain. We have simple leaflets, user manual that is not the thinnest of all. We'll set that aside. So this is the actual product. It is actually quite small, which is a great thing. Let me just... Alright. Okay, so this is it. Quite small as a matter of fact. Size of my thumb, just a bit wider. There are buttons for volume up, volume down on one side, auxiliary port on the other, and a power button. Okay, focus you camera. Okay, there it is. Power button. And a port on the opposite side. It's a mini USB, so you can actually charge it. Alright, let's see what else comes in. Very well packaged, by the way. We have a charging cable, which can go straight to my car charger that I got from Anker already. And if you haven't seen that video, it will be linked up there. Another thing, short auxiliary cable. No, it's not a cable, but it's just like a dongle. Goes in one side to the Bluetooth receiver, and the other one is gonna go inside the car's auxiliary port. If that's a problem and you want to install it somewhere else, they also include an auxiliary cable. So let's set this aside and see if we can power it up, or we're gonna need to charge it. Long press. There's the Bluetooth on. The light is blinking blue. Now I'm gonna connect this into my glove box, because that's where my auxiliary port is. Okay, we're gonna remove the little auxiliary cable that I have, and we're gonna stick the Anker in the same spot. Fits right in on the W211. Let me zoom you in. So it's in there nice and snug, and it looks actually pretty cool. Now the next step is syncing it to your phone. So setup should be quite self-explanatory. We're just gonna open the Bluetooth menu, and we're gonna find the SoundSync. We'll press that button, and it should Bluetooth pair request. We're gonna hit OK. Now we should be on. Next thing left to do is to turn our stereo on the car and hit the auxiliary port. Now, going to the phone, we're gonna pull up a Car Ghost YouTube video and see if there is actually sound. Okay, we're gonna go with this right here. All right. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Oh, it's loading. To the Car Ghost channel. Welcome back to beautiful sunny California. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to a car meet. Pre-car meet. If you guys haven't seen this video, a little plug in there. But that works just fine. We're gonna try and make a phone call, and we're gonna call. The best way to test is calling.
You have 2 saved messages.
We don't want to know those, but we can actually hear. Now, one thing I was worried about is closing it, but closing the glove box seems to have no problem, and we're gonna go ahead and try one more time if the video works and the Bluetooth connection works through the glove box. And there we're greeted by a few BMWs and this beautiful CLS owned by Mike. Look at the Advan wheels. I want to have 3-piece wheels like this one day. It's getting a little hot in the car over here, but so far this product worked flawlessly for me. I am going to test it a little more because I just installed it, and I'm gonna see if we can connect 2 devices or not in the future. But overall unboxing and testing, initial testing, works just fine as intended. I hear a very small hiss. I don't know if that's from my connection or from my stereo, but that's because I put the volume all the way up, and that doesn't exist when you have music playing. So you're gonna need this when you want to play music. The battery life is stated for 12 hours of playback. I am still up to test that, but it will be off camera, obviously. Anker are a pretty reputable company, and I'm pretty sure the battery time would be as advertised. If you guys liked today's video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for a lot more videos to come. But also next week we should be getting Slate in for paint, and you don't want to miss that. If you don't want to miss it, hit the little bell button and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.